Ricardo, welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And as you can see here guys, I have the Super Nintendo 3DS XL, which is the Super Nintendo edition. And of course this version comes with a full game, which is Mario Kart. And as you can see, the Super Nintendo edition markings, this is for ages 7 and up. And of course on the back here, at any time you can pause and read this information. You can see the next dimension in entertainment and also some other cool features that's here. That's included with this game. And again guys, you can always pause and look at any of the features here. And I like this version as it looks a lot like the classic Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Right, it's a great collector's item, or you could just use it as a regular Super Nintendo, right, for a unique look. And of course guys, again, you can always pause to check out anything that's shown here as I go through. And this is the device itself, as you can see here, and I'll show you an overview. This is the back of the device. You can see the cartridge slot, the 3D slider, the volume knob, and of course the connectors, as well as the other ports. And at the front here you have the power and reset drawn on to resemble the Super Nintendo Entertainment System, along with the camera and other features. Same here on the front, along with the main buttons. You have the X, Y, A, B, start, select, and of course the gear stick, along with the normal direction pan, home, and the main screen, along with the secondary screen. Also included with this package, you have these pamphlets. You have stuff such as the Nintendo 3DS warnings and so on. You'll also have the free game with the downloadable code that you can download once you buy this version to get the Super Mario Kart for your device. And there are instructions written here to scratch off and get the code. And of course you have your AR cards, and they come within this plastic packaging. I'll not be opening these up, as you can basically figure out what these are. And as you can see guys, you can read here as to what the features include. And of course you can always pause to see these in more detail. And again, we have additional booklets, and this is the quick start guide in case you're not familiar with the system. And that's it basically as it relates to the main features. Now let's power on the system. The power button can be found right here by pressing and holding just for a few seconds. You'll power up the system. And I've already had a cartridge installed. This is the Kirby Triple Deluxe version. A great game. I highly recommend it. You can check it out guys. And of course, one of the cool features with the Nintendo 3DS is actually a 3D feature, which you can turn on and off. Of course, you will not be able to see it in this video, as the feature, you'd have to be looking at the 3DS itself, XL, to actually see the 3D features. But I can tell you guys, it's cool 3D without the use of any special glasses. All you gotta do is just look at the display, and the fun thing, you can turn this up as much as possible or just throw it off altogether in case this makes you nauseous, as you may know with any 3DS. And of course guys, the cool secondary screen down here gives you quick access to any of the features, so you can easily slide through and you can actually go to stuff like, as you've seen here, the game, and you can actually open, launch, and start up your games, check out additional features. And the secondary screen is a cool addition, as it adds such a cool extra dimension. Alright guys, part from Blog Tech Tips, just showing you what to expect with this version of the Nintendo 3DS XL. Alright guys, gotta say bye until next time. Bye.